Okay, I'm gonna show you how this two-way alarm system works on my R150. So for this one to work, you need four wires to be connected to your system. The first is the starter, second is the ignition, third is the kill switch for your motorcycle to immobilize. So here, this is that's the first one, and the second will be that one. Your motorcycle is being secured, not able to work, even if you're going to put in the keys. So if you're going to start it on, that's not gonna start. So you just have to unlock it, and you can start it again. There you go. So by any chance you want to turn it off and your keys is on the motorcycle, just have to lock it and it will alarm and will not able to start again. It's not gonna start. So unlock it. You can also take the keys away, and you can also start it without keys. So you just have to unlock it first, push the starter button twice. There you go. So you can start it even if you have no keys, and you can also turn it off.